Hello students, welcome to physics class. In this class we are going to solve the problems relative to the relative motion. In previous class we discussed the problems regarding the motion under the gravity. If the wave or particle or object is moving in a vertical direction, upward direction or vertically downward direction, how to solve such problems we discussed. And today we are going to solve some problems on the relative motion. See, already I explained what is the relative motion. What is that relative motion? If the two objects are moving, then we can say that velocity of the one object with respect to other one, then it is called relative motion. Understood? For example, if the one person is moving, sitting in a moving train, and one more person, he is standing on a platform of the railway station. With respect to the person who is standing on the railway station platform, the person inside the train is moving. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಾನಲ್ಲ ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಒಳಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅವ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸೀಟ್. ಅವ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂತಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಯಾವ ಸೀಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತಾನೆ ಆ ಸೀಟಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆ ಸೀಟಿನ ನಾವು ಆಧಾರವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ ಆ ಜರ್ನಿ ಮುಗಿಯೋರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಹೊರಗಿದ್ದವಾಗ ಏನು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಆ ಸೀಟು ಆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವ್ನು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಚಲನೆ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದರ ಆಧಾರವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. We should take the reference point. With respect to that only we can say the motion. Similarly, if I want, just imagine now I am moving like this, means with respect to this blackboard, with respect to any other stationary objects, we can say that I am moving. If there is no stationary object, if I not taken any reference point, then I can't explain the motion. Therefore relative motion is always there. See, with respect, already I explained all of these things, and while discussing this relative motion, to say that Vb minus Vba, this is the velocity of the object B with respect to A, then we can write like this, Vb minus Va, generalities. And two objects B and A, if both are moving in the same direction, then velocity of the object B with respect to A, how much? That is given by Vb minus Va. Velocity of the object B with respect to A is given by velocity of the B minus velocity of the A. Similarly, VAB means velocity of the object A minus velocity of the object B, and both are moving in the same direction. If both objects are moving in the same direction, fine. If both are moving in opposite direction, if they both are moving in opposite direction, one object is moving like this, one more object is moving like this, then A is B is. In such case, velocity of object A with respect to velocity of object B is given by Va plus Vb. How I wrote this one, Va plus Vb? Actually it is a Va minus Vb, but Vb is minus. Therefore Va minus into minus plus, therefore Va plus Vb. When this is the case when the two objects are moving in opposite direction. If the two objects moving in the same direction, this is the case. Already I explained all these things. With the help of this much idea, now we are going to solve this problem. Actually it is a very big problem, that's why I wrote like this. This is much is enough to solve the example. See, before going to start the problems, we should remember sign convention again here also, how we use the sign convention for the motion under the gravity concepts. While solving the motion under the gravity problems, we consider some sign conventions. Similarly, here also we are going to use the sign convention. How? Usually the positive x direction is take it as a velocity in positive x direction, take it as a positive. The velocity in this direction, take it as positive, and this direction is take it as a negative. You should remember this one. This is the main sign convention. Okay. See, velocity of the, here in this problem, two trains are moving in opposite direction. Train A moves in east, train A moving in east direction, like this. A train, how much velocity? 20 meter per second. This is a VA velocity. How much it is? VA. It is moving in the east direction. Similarly, train B moving in a west direction with and train B moves in a west direction with the speed 30 meter per second. How much it is? 30 meter per second. 30 meter per second. Remember, one is A is moving in this direction, up east direction. B is moving in a west direction. I said already, the sign convention for x-axis, positive x-axis is take it as a plus sign, and negative x-axis take it as a minus sign. Fine. Then usually the sign convention in some books they may change also, but I am following this one. Remember, for positive x direction means velocity of A train VA is equal to 20 meter per second. Velocity of B with respect to A is opposite direction, therefore minus 30 meter per second. As I said, sign convention according to I wrote this one. Okay, then what is the first question? Relative velocity B with respect to A. What they asked? A part, relative velocity of B with respect to A. VBA. Velocity of B with respect to A. General formula VB minus VA, but what is the VB value? Minus 30. What is the VA value? 20 minus 50 meter per second. 50 meter per second. This is first. Easy, no? There is no confusion. Why I take it as 20? They are given 20 is train A moves with the east with the speed 20 meter per second. 20. Why it is positive? It is moving in this direction. That's why I take it as positive. Here opposite direction, take it as a negative. Minus 30. Same principle. Minus 50 meter per second. Next, see what is the second equation? Relative velocity of the ground with respect to B. Relative velocity of ground G with respect to A. Relative velocity of the ground with respect to B. Actually, what they ask? dB. Velocity of G ground with respect to B. Vg minus Vb. General formula. What is the Vg? Ground is not moving. Keep it as a stationary. Ground is stationary. Other move agtilla. Other value 0 it minus. What about Vb? Vb value how much? Minus 30. Therefore, plus 30 meter per second. This is the VGB. Velocity of ground with respect to B general. You can ask the question that I said already, when the objects are moving in opposite direction, I use the word VAB, VA plus VB. This formula we got, but I am using C here, same VA minus VB minus equation. But actually what I said in a theory class, when the two objects are moving in opposite direction, VA plus VB, fine. But how I got this VA plus VB? Actually it is a minus only, but this B is in negative direction. Actually VA minus VB, but VB is in negative sign with. Therefore VA minus into minus plus VB. Therefore now I am using the same here, VG minus VB only, general formula, but VB is minus, therefore plus. Here also VB minus VA generally, but VB is minus, therefore I use minus here. See, next one more equation, that is a velocity of the monkey with respect to train A. A monkey is running on the roof of the tree. Is a monkey always doing a mischievous things. The same thing he is going here. Monkey is running on the roof of the train A. Train A roof ಮೇಲೆ ಓಡ್ತದೆ. Train A, in which direction it is moving? It is opposite to its motion. If the train is moving like this, then the monkey is moving against to that motion. The monkey is moving like again here, and train is moving in this way against its motion with the velocity how much? Monkey velocity 10 meter per second with respect to train A. What is the velocity of the monkey with respect to A? What is the velocity of the monkey with respect to A? I said train is moving in this direction, therefore 20 meter per second velocity, but monkey is moving in this direction against to this. Therefore monkey velocity is, take it as a minus. Therefore monkey is moving in the opposite direction, its velocity 10 meter per second, but it is in a negative direction, means a negative x-axis, therefore minus. Remember, therefore the C part, velocity of monkey with respect to train A is given by Vm minus Va. Vm minus Va. Vm minus Va. What is the Vm? Velocity of the monkey. Velocity of the monkey is minus 10 meter per second. Va, what is? Va value is 20. Therefore minus 30 meter per second. This is your just a minute. Moving here. Remember, with our velocity of monkey with respect to 1 minute, small mistake here I did, sorry. Velocity of monkey with respect to train A. Velocity of the monkey with respect to train A, it is. Monkey is how much? Minus 10. General formula Vm minus Va. Okay, fine. Here 20 minus 1 minute. Train is moving in this way, then monkey is moving in this way, 10 meter per second. Here we have to think one more thing just here. With respect to A, remember, velocity of the monkey with respect to A means what it is? The person who is inside the train, according to him, just because train can't feel, that's why I am telling that with respect to A, what is the velocity? With respect to minus 30 meter per second. But the same question they can ask with respect to ground. If they ask, then it is a little bit change. Now it is right. Okay, fine. But if they ask the question in some other way form, just I will explain how it is. If the monkey as observed by the man standing on the ground, if the one person who is standing on the ground, if he observes train is moving in a east direction, monkey is moving on the west direction, the person, if he is observing on the ground, according to for him, what is the relative velocity according to with him? This is a question for you. It's a homework. See what I considered. This is with the person who this is the in books, so you may get confused. That's why I am telling that once again. If the velocity of the monkey with respect to a is this much, fine, but the person who is standing outside the train on the ground, if he is standing, train is in, for example, consider me only, I am standing here, train is moving in east direction, monkey is moving on west direction on the train. According to him, the observation, according to him, what is the relative velocity of that monkey? This is, take it as the homework. See, this is a challenge to you and take it as a sportively. What is the velocity of the monkey with respect to the person who is standing on the ground? This is the this part is completed. Actually this problem is completed, no problem, is clear. But my question is to you people, remember the person who is standing on the ground, with respect to him, what is the velocity of the monkey? This is the question. Just try to solve it. This part is completed. Very simple questions in this matter. Okay, one more question we will consider now. Listen here. This is a one unique problem what I have given here. Two trains A and B of length same. Listen carefully. This problem is for you, not right now I am not going to solve this one, but I will give the hint. Listen carefully each and every part of this video. Two trains are there, A and B. A is one train, B is one train. 400 meter each. What is the length of this train? A train 400 meter. And what is the length of the B train? 400 meter. The length of the two trains are 400 meter. Moving on a parallel tracks. Both are moving on a parallel tracks. Okay. Both are moving on a parallel tracks. Is a like this. See. Here's the B. Velocity VB. Its velocity is VA. Two trains are considered. Both are moving in a parallel tracks. Any two trains can't move in the same track at a time. That's why two parallel tracks they are moving. The length of this both trains are 400 meter. They are moving with the speed, uniform speed. Remember, initially both are moving. How much? The A train velocity is VA, B train velocity is VB. Both are uniform speed. Once again I am repeating word uniform speed. What is the condition for acceleration? This is a hint. Listen carefully. Both are moving in a uniform speed. How much it is? 72 km per hour. Both are, its value is 72 km per hour. Same 72 km per hour. Both are moving, but with the A ahead of B. Means A is little bit ahead and B is little bit lagging. You can ask the question, if both are moving in the same speed in a parallel track, how this A train move ahead? Baba, not like that. Already the A train is ahead, means it left that point initially. ಮೊದಲೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಜಲ್ದಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದೈತಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಉಳಿದೈತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಎರಡೂದ್ರ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವ್ರು, 72 km per hour. ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ, ಬಿ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಉಳಿದೈತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎರಡೂದ್ರ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದಾವೆ. ಎರಡೂದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಏನೋ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಐತಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೆಮ್? ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತದ? ಎಕ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಇವೆರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಐತಿ? ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ in same direction they are moving. Okay, with A is ahead of B. The driver B decides to overtake A. Then suddenly this driver of B train decides to overtake the train A train na overtake ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಮ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಐತೆ, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. there is a gap between some gap. A is ahead, B is lagging. There is small gap. How much? We don't know. That is, take it as X. And B decides to overtake the A. Overtake the A ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ? ಬಿದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಗೆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆದಂಗೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೈನ್ touches the or overtakes the front side or driver of the A. Then only we can say that it is a overtaking. This B train is decided to overtake the A, therefore start to take. Okay, suddenly. Therefore, to overtake, to cross the anything, he has to give the acceleration. Yes, he has given acceleration. How much? 1 meter per second square. A is 1 meter per second square. For B, it is not for A. Remember, B ಏನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನು? ಎನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್? ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ 1 meter per second square. He has given 1 meter per second square acceleration. Okay, if after 50 seconds, when he has given acceleration, after that 50 second, the guard of the B just brushes the past of the driver of A. Means guard means backside. For every train there is a backside part is guard. This guard will touches the driver means front side. Second train or B train's guard will touches the first train or A train driver brushes. When for 50 seconds. Time gap is 50 seconds. Then what is the original distance between them? It's a very lengthy problem. Carefully read once or twice, definitely you will understand. Both moving in parallel tracks with the same speed initially, but A is ahead, B is lagging. The gap, how much? We don't know. That is, we have to find out it. And after some time, that B decides to overtake the A, therefore he accelerates. B start to accelerate. How much acceleration he has given? He has given the 1 meter per second square acceleration. Once he has given 1 meter per second square acceleration, it start to move fast. After 50 seconds, it cross. After 50 seconds, it cross. Then what is the original gap between the A train and B train? That is the question. Hint, you should remember. Use the formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. This formula we can use. And uniform speed. What is that? What is the speciality of this uniform speed? If you know, you can solve very easily. This much what I have given. I'm trying to make you to understand this problem, what it is, with a diagram and hint also I have given. Try to solve it. If it is not possible, to next class I will solve it. This is the last problem of this chapter. If you solve this one, it's well and good. And one more problem I have given. I already in previous problem I completed the 3 parts of the previous problem, and one more problem I have given homework. This much is work for you. Try to solve it. Thank you.